Hi everyone, myself B. Venala, TSWR Digital, Budera from Sangareddy. Become Finder Computer Application. Today I am going to explain and discuss about important subject in the commerce, that is computers accounting. I would like to tell introduction of computers accounting. Computers accounting is a carried out accounting software, the recording, analysis and storage of finance and accounting data. Next, I would like to explain the advantages of computers accounting. There are some advantages: better quality work and facilities, better control and lower operating cost, and improved efficiency and greater accuracy. These are some advantages. And computers accounting can store and process large volume of transaction with speed and accuracy. And there is a flexibility in the computers accounting as compared to the manual process. There is a less paperwork in the computers accounting as compared to the manual process. And next I would like to tell and differences between computers accounting and manual accounting. In manual accounting, more than one person can be sufficient to handle the accounts, but in computers accounting only single person can sufficient to handle the accounts. And in the manual process of business transaction and preparation of reports can be slow, but in computer accounting, any business transactions and preparation of reports can be faster than manual process. Manual accounting system is a accounts of books keeping and financial recordings. Computer accounting, there is some data is possible to backup, but in manual accounting the data cannot be possible to backup. There is some flexibility in the computer accounting. All adjustment can be carried out in the manual accounting. In computer accounting, computer also can carry out the all adjustment at the end of the financial period. Next, I would like to tell features of computer accounting. Computer accounting is a software is help to the business to manages some financial transaction and some data reports and some facilities in the computer accounting. And next I would like to tell how to create a company. First of all, we go to get of tally and select a company info. There is option alt plus F3, and then the company form will be open to create a company. Then we have to press the enter button. Thank you.